Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second Sudoku at Two Stars Sudoku. In this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, it's Wednesday, October the 7th, 2020, the second Sudoku 2 out of 8 we have today. And this Two Stars Sudoku will be number 1708. Yes, 1708. And let me count first the digits. I think there are 26, one less than the previous one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, no, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Plus 5 is 23, 24, 25, 26. Yes, correct. Yes. So, let's get started. Alright. Let me scan the puzzle first. Yeah. How about we have a 9 in this row, a 9 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this row, so no 1 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. And we see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8, we have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and 8 goes there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 6. We have a 3 and a 6 in this row, so no 3 and a 6 in these two boxes. The 3 and a 6 goes in those two boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you, 2 and 8. That means those 2 numbers in this row are reserved for the numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Let me mark them again for you so you can follow it easier. These 2 numbers in this middle row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those numbers are the 3, the 7, and the 6. We see here 3 and a 7, so no 3 and a 7 in this box. The 3 and the 7 goes in those two boxes. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 6. And now 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 in this big square are missing. We see here 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in these two boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and the 8. 7 and the 8, we see there an 8. No 8 there, 8 should be here, and 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so the row above. The only place for the 8 should be there. Now we have an 8 there, so this can be an 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be 8 too. And now 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes, and you see there 7, no 7 in that box. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the middle column, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Now I cannot continue with the 7. How about the 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this column, the 2 and the 9 we have 2 and a 5. No, 2 we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 1 box left. This should be the number 6. Yes, 6 is missing. Alright, 2 boxes left in this big square. The 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. I cannot fill this yet. I need to mark them for you. 2 and a 4. Alright. How about let me see. 3 missing numbers in this column. The third column, one of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, we see there 1, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1, should be there. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be a 2. 3 boxes left in this big square. 6 is missing, 3 is missing, and the 2 is missing. I cannot fill this here. Look, we have a 3 here, 2 there, 6 there. So I need to wait. 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 4, 5, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here. Oh, there we see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see, yes. Well, first digit, alright. 1 box left in this column, should be for the number 4. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 9. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. We see here 2 and a 9 here, so no 2 and a 9 in this box. The 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 1 should be here. Or there we see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 boxes left here in this row, the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9 we see here, 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Alright, and 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6 we see there, 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. These 2 numbers are reserved for the 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5, and look, we have a pair here. Alright, alright. So 2, 4, 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number here is the number 5. We see here that there 5, no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. Hey, 1 box left in this row for the number 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be the 5, and this should be a 4. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 3. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And no, the 4 should be there. We have a 4 here. No 4 there, 4 should be here. And this should be the number 2. Yes. What a mistake. 2. And all the 4s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 4. 2 boxes left in the last column, the 3 and the 7. 3 and the 7 we see here, 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square should be the number 7. 2 boxes left in the 3rd row for the numbers 3 and 9. 3 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 6. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there, and the final 2 numbers of this big square, the 6 and the 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes, faster than the previous Sudoku. So you cannot tell less numbers is more difficult than more numbers, more digits. You cannot tell. It depends if you have more pairs and the combinations. Alright, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. I will continue with the 3 Stars Sudoku. So see you later. Bye bye for now.